Hello friends! Today, I'm going to show you how my mom is preparing a fun creative activity for my birthday. My classmates are coming over, and we're going to have so much fun with the activities she made for us. Here are the steps I'm going to show you, how she prepared everything. First, we need some wooden spoons. Then, we'll draw little faces on the spoons, like this. We have to make several different faces. Next, we'll draw bunny ears. And glue them onto the spoons. After that, we'll draw the clothes. Cut them out too, and add them to our bunnies. Finally, we'll put everything in a box so the kids can pick and decorate their spoons however they like. And here's the final result. If you liked this activity, don't forget to like and share. Bye bye.